Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to download and install WhatsApp on your PC. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, come to the bottom of Windows and go and click on the search button, and we need to go and get WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store. So go and type in Microsoft Store like so and open it up. Go to the top, and then what you need to do is go and search for WhatsApp. And they appear in the top 3 apps, but if it doesn't, just go and search for it, and then what you want to do is go and click on it. This is the official one here by what? Inc., and you can then press on Get in the top right, and it will go and start downloading. Once it's finished, you'll go and see the open button, or you can just go and search your computer for WhatsApp and open it up, and here it is. And then what you need to do is go and click on Get Started like this, and you then need to go on to your phone, in WhatsApp, go and open up your settings. For me, it's in the bottom right. If you're on Android, go on the chat screen, go to the top, right-click on the 3 dots, and then open up your settings. Click on Link Devices and click on Link. Twice you'll need to go and confirm it's you, and then what you can do is go and scan the QR code on your computer just like so, and we're now going and logging in. As you can see, I've now logged in, and then what I can do is go and start to use WhatsApp from my computer, so I can start sending messages and making calls and doing whatever. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.